So we've looked at future value. What happens if we invest a certain amount, in our case each month, at a percentage rate, compounding that interest, what kind of result we would expect at the end of that investment period. Here what we're looking at is the payment. So this is the payment function in Excel, and what it'll give us is, in this case, we're looking for a monthly payment on a loan of $5,000 for 3 years at 7.5%. Well, there is a function for that. We'll come up to more functions, and I'm going to just type in PMT. That's the payment function. So I'll bring up the function dialog box and move it over. And as you can see, it's very similar to the future value function. The rate is the interest rate per period, for example, 6%. Remember, we want to use the cell reference. So we're going to say B5 divided by 12. And the number of periods, we need to have this in months since we now have the monthly interest rate. So we'll take what value is in C5 times 12, and then again, because this is an outlay of cash, we're going to get a negative result. So what we can do is put in a negative and then grab our present value, the present value being how much we're borrowing, and we get a result. So in this case, if we want to borrow $5,000 at 7.5% over 3 years, it's going to cost us $155.53. Let me go ahead and do another one real quick. So I'll come up, grab that the payment function, not future value. There we are. So our rate in this case, be careful to pick the right rate. Our rate is going to be the value in B6. We're going to divide that by 12. Our periods in this case will be the value in C6 times 12. And then of course I'm going to put in a negative so that I can just see a positive payment on borrowing $12,500, and we get $243.12. So I'll give you the answers for the last three. That's the payment function. I hope this helps. Take care.